Okay, happy birthday. And we don't have much time because you're sitting outside. I love you and thank you for being my partner through everything. And there's no one else I would rather do this with. One word I would use to describe Aman is my soulmate. There's no one else in the world I would have shared all these experiences with. And now the whole journey of parenthood. I'm super excited. I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
मेरे
Aman.
भाई. Happy birthday, Aman.
God bless you.
Blessed to have a brother like you, who's also my best friend. And one word I would use to describe you is
Shortcut.
my word is
No.
my word is जुगाड़ू.
No, no,
कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो भाई जुगाड़ ढूंढ देगा.
no, shortcut.
Happy birthday, Aman. Your first birthday as a father. So it's a special birthday, though it's in lockdown. And I just wanted to say, always remember, and you will feel it for yourself and find it for yourself, that fathers are very special and very dear.
Ask me.
For their
Ask
girls.
your wife.
Ask your wife. And actually, you yourself are super special for us. I can say for myself, you took my heart away, part of my heart away when you took Navya with you. But then I've also learned in last few years and then 6 months more that actually the heart doesn't grow smaller. With you and Amya, the heart has become larger. So there's more added to the heart.
So there is basically heart enlargement happening here.
Yes, so you are very dear, you're part of our heart, and God bless you and have a wonderful year. And we love you so much. We don't get a chance to say.
Yes.
We never get a chance to hear and hear from him.
Yeah, even with one side lock, we love you.
For once of all, we love you. And this lockdown, never mind. Ugly bar. Ugly bar.
Your birthday will be without lockdown.
Lockdown.
कृति बोल दे तो अपना.
Possessed with his work, with his family, wife, daughter, both.
Aman, you are a man with very good intentions. Good intentions, good boy.
The lover boy? Hi.
And I have a little surprise for you on your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Aman.
Happy birthday to you.
She also told us to give you one word that reminds us of you. And for me, that word is forever going to be mask. Every time I see a mask or I touch a mask, I will remember you. So I hope you continue to be the enterprising person that you are and become the richest man in the world so that one day I can live off your wealth.
Unfortunately, you will be the second richest man after me. And the one word I can think of is actually very true to you, but I can't really use it because of Navya's guidelines. Hint is it starts with G, ends with U. An alternative word that I can think of is Mela, but it's your birthday, so brother, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jamu. Happy birthday to you. Meri Janamana loves you. Mwah.
Daga, my main man, happy birthday, bro. Hope you're doing well and having an amazing lockdown birthday. I'm sure this is a special one with you being Daddy Daga for the first time, which is amazing, and I'm sure you're loving it. One word to describe Aman. I'm sure there are so many words which hold true for you, but I think for me, the one word which describes you the best is that you might be the most street smart person I've ever come across. And this has been the case since we were kids 20 years back, and whoever knows you knows what I'm talking about. And I would always want you by my side because I know when you are there, we both will be able to figure out things. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Be safe. Celebrations will happen when the time is right. Love to the Vacher family, and I'll see you in a.
Happy birthday, Aman Chachu. Many returns of day. God bless you.
रेनू 3 अंडा उबाल दे। आई डागे क्या हाल है? हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई, गॉड ब्लेस यू। मार सारे ड्राइवर को पकड़ के। आई लव यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, अमन बेटे, खुशियाँ मनाओ, खूब ऐश करो, बस भगवान जोड़ी सलामत रखे, दोनों खुशियाँ करते रहो, मनाते रहो, बच्चे के साथ खेलते रहो, सबकी लंबी उम्र मिले, तेरा गिफ्ट उधार रहा, फिर जब मिलोगे तो तब देंगे, ऐसा बंद हुआ पड़ा है कि बुला ही नहीं सकती किसी को।
बर्थडे अमन, देख तेरे लिए क्या क्या वेले काम करने पड़ रहे हैं। 31 साल का हो गया बुड्ढे, अब आमिया का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर, अपना बंद कर। लोग के बर्थडे चूती है बुड्ढे, और थर्मोमीटर बेच लियो जिससे पहले कि अपने बाप की गाली सुने।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अमन, मे यू बी ब्लेस्ड विद लोड्स ऑफ लाफ्टर्स फ्रॉम आमिया। और जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खत्म हुए हमें हमारी पार्टी चाहिए, ओके? ऐसा मत सोचिए पार्टी मिस हो गई।
बर्थडे अमन, दिस इज फ्रॉम मी एंड योर फ्रेंड्स इन चाइना।
अमन भाई, विश यू many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Hopefully अगर कोरोना गया तो। अभी ये अनिकेत ने 1 वर्ड में आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन देने को बोला है, तो गाली देके तो नहीं बोल सकता, ये आपको पर्सनल में ही देके बताऊंगा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाईजान, क्या हाल चाल, सब बढ़िया। सो डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट यू, आई जस्ट हैव वन डिस्क्रिप्शन, 3, 2, 1, we are cult.
Happy birthday Aman, have the best day with baby Amya and Navu. When I think of Aman, the first things that come to my mind are either the gym or boys night or Navya भूख लगी है कुछ खाने को दे दे। Have the greatest day. I'll see you guys soon.
हेलो अमन भाई, many happy returns of the day. मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि आपको लंबी उम्र लगे और आपका ये साल बहुत अच्छा जाए। अभी तक तो गया नहीं है, सो आगे का जाए जो भी बचा हुआ है, और आपको भगवान अनिकेत से बचाए, मतलब अनिकेत के दुष्कर्मों से बचाए, यही बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं। चलो,
सिर पे 100 काम है भाई, 12 बजे ऑफिस पहुंचना। हैप्पी बर्थडे वर्क एल्कोहलिक, अ पंक्चुअल पर्सन एंड अ सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विद ऑल द हैप्पीनेस। हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अमन, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday beta, stay always blessed.
Happy birthday versatile man, a best brother, a best husband, best father, best batija, best bhai, what not?
Happy birthday brother, I've seen all phases of your life and always seen you growing. You were the most notorious in the dawn of your school, your area. Then you became serious about your work, became a workaholic, handled the business well, and then you got married. Now a good father, and now you're taking good care of your health as well. These multi-talented guys are rarely seen these days. Proud of you. Take care. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday. So one word to describe you, jovial.
As you always seems happy and smiling. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Aman. Hope your birthday is even better than how it started for the rest of the year, and have a great time, great quarantine birthday with the true love of your lives, and
have a great day.
One word to describe
Aman,
Mr. Dependable, because he's been a papa to me for 8 years, and I'm super lucky to have him as a father.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ? ਹੋਰ ਅਨੂ ਭਾਜੀ, ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਭਾਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਭਾਜੀ। ਹੋਰ ਸਭ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ? ਕੱਲ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰੋ ਭਾਈ ਦੱਬ ਕੇ, ਫਿਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਪੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
अमन, very happy birthday. Happy birthday sir.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अमन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अमन भैया।
आप हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते रहो, जियो हजारों साल।
Happy birthday.
अमन भैया हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू। अमन चूतिए, अमन चूतिए मतलब चूतियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, सुना है ना आपने।
Happy birthday, Aman.
Many happy returns of the day.
So Aman is our family's muscle man. He is a family man and
We are cult.
Happy birthday to you, dear Aman. Happy birthday to you. You are a very nice father, good husband, and as good as your son-in-law. Respect everybody in the house.
Happiest birthday, Jeej. Just kidding. We wanted to wish you the happiest birthday. I think the one word to describe Aman would be super fun and like really chill. Because every time we've hung out with him, he's made sure we've had a really, really good time. And this is not just a recent thing. It's been since they were dating. Every time we've hung out with Aman, it's been a lot of fun. He makes sure everyone's set, they have a good time. And we hope to party with you very, very soon. Happy birthday, Aman. Love you.
Love you. Hi Aman, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. And I hope Navya makes you some yummy food and Navya gives you the cutest smile ever. If you're wondering why I have flowers around me, it's just a Snapchat filter. Anyway, one word that describes you for me is going to be discipline. You're one of the most hardworking, motivated, disciplined person that I know. And I just want to say, be the way you are, keep smiling, and thank you for being part of our life.
Yeah man, Shivang this side. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, bro. Have a great day. I still remember meeting you for the first time probably 13-14 years back when you used to wear that sandal wali chappal with socks on it. You were least bothered about the world and you were always so carefree and you gave a damn about anyone, and that was just one aspect of your personality. To all those nights drinking in your car, that white Skoda car which you had, going to clubs, fetching for stag entries, whatnot, we've done it all. You're a crazy guy. You and me do a lot of bakchodi together. I hope this thing also grows, and this is also one facet of your personality. Again, have a great day with Navya and the little one, and wishing you a happy birthday again. Stay the same. Stay truthful. You're one of the most truthful persons I ever known. And speak your heart always. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Amya's birthday wishes. Go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. Papa. 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 Oh. Dada. Papa. 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 Happy birthday.
Yeah. Destroy both fucking containers. I didn't see you there. I just wanted to pop in and say happy birthday to you. And despite the current situation, I hope that you're gonna have the best year of your life so far. I wish you good health and a loving family and a fuckload of shekels for business. Cheers. Happy birthday, man. Now I gotta go. I got important shit to do.